So my name is Ebonei. I attended Spelman College for undergrad, the University of North Carolina for law school, and I'm currently a licensed attorney in the state of Georgia. So I have several years of legal experience, primarily in the areas of public policy and civil litigation. So while I was at Spelman, I served as a legislative aide for all 4 years. I interned for the Georgia Legislative Black Caucus, and so I did that for 4 legislative sessions. Then after graduating from Spelman, I attended University of North Carolina, and my 1L summer, I served as a public policy associate and intern at Meta in their DC office. Then my 2L summer, I spent it clerking for a circuit court judge in Charlottesville, Virginia. Then after graduating from UNC, I spent a brief time as an assistant district attorney. And then afterwards, I went over to the civil side where I began practicing at a firm, and I did primarily civil litigation within the areas of corporate defense, more specifically premises liability and med mal. So I did do a lot of volunteer work both in undergrad and in law school, but one of my proudest accomplishments was being president of the Black Law Students Association. And during my tenure, we won an award. We won Group Pro Bono Project of the Year for our Wills Clinic. So there are a lot of keys to success to be able to succeed in law school, but just a few. I would say utilizing your resources and also networking. So that means attending office hours, getting to know your professors, getting to know your peers, whether that's participating in student orgs or study groups, just making sure you know the people around you. Also, utilizing online resources to help you do better throughout law school. So there are so many online resources that will help you understand case law better, help you understand how to brief better, help you understand how to memorize the law better. So just being wise about utilizing all the resources that are available. And lastly, I would say a key to success for law school is doing pro bono and volunteer work, because it is so important to give back to others and to help, underserved communities. But also, it's also important because you never know what doors your volunteer work could open, who you can meet along the way. And oftentimes, pro bono and volunteer work can lead to relationship building, which can ultimately lead to some sort of internship or even a job offer. I hope students reflect on who they are and master the art of storytelling. As we all know, law school is not just a pure numbers game. It's more than just your GPA and your LSAT score. And so I help students hone in on what truly differentiates them from other students. I help them clearly articulate who they are and communicate why law school is important to them, and why that specific law school is a good fit for them, and while they are also a good fit for the law school. I work closely with students to help them create a coherent narrative that naturally and authentically connects their background, their experiences, their goals, that is going to translate well to the law school admissions team. So my greatest strength is my adaptability and my highly personalized approach to coaching and consulting. Every student is different. Every student has a different background, a different profile, different goals. And so I am able to assess the needs of every student and tailor my approach to the specific needs of the student and come up with a unique plan that is going to best serve that specific student. So there are some students that want you to be more hands-on. They need a lot of encouragement. They need someone to be a cheerleader in their corner, and I can do that. There are also students that are more hands-off. They are very straight to the point. They prefer more intermittent conversation. They're more direct, and I can do that as well. And so I'm able to assess the needs of the student as well as their personality and what type of coaching will be best for them. And that is what I do. My ability to assess a student's background and their goals and their personality and develop a plan that is going to best serve the student and their future goals. I am passionate about helping pre-law students because becoming an attorney was one of the best decisions I ever made. So a JD is one of the most versatile degrees you can have, whether you decide to practice traditionally or whether you decide to pursue other career options. Obtaining a JD creates so many opportunities in life, and it positively impacts your career path trajectory, but it also positively impacts your life in general. And so whenever I hear that someone is interested in law school, I get really excited, and I always look forward to helping people accomplish that particular goal and dream, because obtaining a JD is truly life-changing.